Put x is equal to 0. X is equal to in equation number 2. X is equal to 0. 0, 0, 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus 1 plus c into 0. B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. Next, x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in equation number 2. X is equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 is equal to a into x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 0 b into minus 1 plus 1 0 plus c into minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square plus 1 1 into 2 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0 0 c is equal to 1. So x is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. ఇక్కడ ప్రీవియస్ లో లాగా మనం x is equal to 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయలేం, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ x is equal to 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ మనం కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ కంపేర్ చేయాల్సిన ఆల్టర్నేట్ లేదు ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం లో. 2x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x ప్లస్ 1 is equal a into x square plus x b into x plus 1 plus c x square. Next, comparing the coefficient of x square on both sides of equation number 2. This is equation number 3. Comparing the coefficient of x square. 2 is equal x square coefficient a, x square coefficient c. 2 is equal a plus c. 2 is equal a plus c is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Therefore, final answer is a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1. A by x, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. This is the final answer. స్టూడెంట్స్ మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే మీకు యూట్యూబ్లో పంపిస్తాను, అది చూడొచ్చు మీరు వీడియో. ఈరోజు పంపిస్తాను ఈ 2 వీడియోస్ ఈరోజు. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్, నెక్స్ట్ కంటిన్యూషన్. రెడ్యూసిబుల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. Reducible factor. Next, reducible factor. Reducible factor. If a polynomial f of x, if a polynomial f of x can be expressed as product of two polynomial, product of two linear polynomials is called reducible. If a reducible linear factor, if a polynomial f of x can be expressed as product of two linear factors, two linear polynomials, is called reducible factor, reducible linear factor. If a polynomial f of x can be expressed as product of two linear polynomials, is called reducible factor. if a polynomial f of x can be expressed as product of two or more linear polynomials, is called reducible factor. Once again, reducible polynomial if a polynomial f of x can be expressed as product of two or more polynomials is called reducible polynomial. So reducible polynomial, if a polynomial f of x can be expressed as product of two or more polynomials, is called reducible polynomial. Reducible polynomial, if a polynomial f of x can be expressed as product of two or more polynomials, is called reducible polynomial. Example, x square minus 4 is equal to 2 square. A square minus b square is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. This is reducible polynomial. So reducible polynomial, a polynomial f of x can be expressed as product of two or more polynomials. Here, product of two or more polynomials. This is reducible polynomial. Reducible polynomial. b square minus 4ac greater than 0 వచ్చేవన్నీ reducible polynomials అవుతాయి. b square minus 4ac less than 0 వచ్చేవన్నీ irreducible polynomial అవుతాయి. If a polynomial f of x can be expressed as product of two or more polynomials, is called reducible polynomial. Otherwise, it is called irreducible polynomial. B square minus 4s ax square plus bx plus is equal to is reducible. B square minus 4s greater than or equal to 0. మీకు b square minus 4s greater than or equal to 0 వచ్చేవన్నీ reducible polynomial. B square minus 4s less than 0 వస్తే అది irreducible polynomial. Note number 1. Ax square plus bx plus c is reducible if b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So reducible, మీరు b square minus 4ac క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి, కంపల్సరీగా అవి ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ టూ పాలినామిల్స్ రాయొచ్చు. మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఈ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్తారు కదా, మీరు దాన్ని మీరు b square minus 4ac క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి, అది గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 వచ్చిందంటే కంపల్సరీ మనం దాన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ టూ పాలినామిల్స్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is irreducible polynomial if b square minus 4ac less than 0. So b square minus 4ac greater than 0, reducible polynomial. B square minus 4ac less than 0, irreducible polynomial. X square minus 4 is equal to minus 2 square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So product of two polynomials. So this polynomial is called reducible polynomial. Suppose x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing ax square plus bx plus c, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. Calculate b square minus 4ac. Here b is equal to 1, minus 4a 1, c 1. 1 minus 4 minus 3 less than 0. So b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the polynomial is called irreducible polynomial. This is irreducible polynomial. మీరు b square minus 4ac calculate చేయండి, greater than 0, reducible polynomial. b square minus 4 is less than 0, irreducible polynomial. So irreducible polynomial example of irreducible polynomial, x square plus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1. This is also irreducible polynomial. A is equal 1, b is equal minus 1, c is equal 1, b square minus 4ac, b square is equal 1 minus 4ac 1 minus 3 negative. This is irreducible polynomial. మీరు ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ax స్క్వేర్ పాలినామియల్ ఇస్తారు, b స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 రెడ్యూసిబుల్ పాలినామియల్, లెస్ దాన్ 0 ఇర్రెడ్యూసిబుల్ పాలినామియల్. సపోజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ x ప్లస్ 1 కంపేరింగ్ విత్ ax స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ bx ప్లస్ a1 b1 c1, b స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac మైనస్ 3 నెగటివ్, b స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac నెగటివ్. దిస్ పాలినామియల్ is irreducible polynomial. Suppose x square minus 4, here a is equal ax square a1, b value bx b0, c minus 4, b square minus 4ac is equal to b square 0 minus 4a 1, c minus 4, that is equal 16. b square minus 4ac greater than 0. This polynomial is a reducible polynomial. Next model 4, partial fractions of f of x by g of x when g of x is repeated irreducible polynomial. Next model, partial fractions of f of x by g of x when g of x is repeated irreducible polynomial. When g of x is irreducible polynomial. Next model, partial fractions of f of x by g of x when g of x is repeated irreducible polynomial. Suppose example x square plus 1. This is reducible or irreducible? Calculate b square minus 4ac. Ax square, a is equal 1. bx, here no x term, b is equal 0, c is equal 1. b square minus 4ac, 0 minus 4 minus 3 negative. So x square plus 1 is irreducible polynomial. So repeated irreducible polynomial means x square plus 1 whole square. This is irreducible polynomial. X square plus 1 whole square is equal x square plus 1 into x square plus 1. This is repeated irreducible polynomial. So next model, partial fractions of f of x by g of x when g of x is repeated irreducible polynomial. Next problem. We solve x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube. x square plus 1 whole cube. So x square plus 1 is irreducible polynomial. X square plus 1 whole cube, repeated irreducible polynomial. So partial fractions is equal to, మీకు irreducible polynomial ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఇది irreducible polynomial కదా. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ x ప్లస్ 1 హోల్ క్యూబ్ పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ రాస్తున్నాం a బై x ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ b బై x ప్లస్ 1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ c బై x ప్లస్ 1 హోల్ క్యూబ్. ఇది నాన్ ఇర్రెడ్యూసిబుల్ రెడ్యూసిబుల్ పాలినామియల్. x ప్లస్ 1 రెడ్యూసిబుల్ పాలినామియల్. partial fraction a by x plus 1, b by x plus 1 whole square, c by x plus 1 whole cube. But here x square plus 1 whole cube. Suppose f of x by x square plus a, x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 is equal to. This is irreducible polynomial. This is also irreducible polynomial. Partial fractions is equal to irreducible polynomial. Partial fractions is equal to ax plus b by x square plus 1. మీరు irreducible polynomial partial fraction రాసేటప్పుడు ax plus b, మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ x, suppose ఈక్వేషన్స్ t, at plus b. Here x square, here x is polynomial, this is function in x, ax plus b by x square plus 1. This is also irreducible polynomial. A, B, next continuation cx plus d by x square plus 2. Suppose into x square plus 3. A, B, C, D. Next ex plus f by x square plus 3. So irreducible polynomial is the partial fraction రాసే మోడల్స్ ఇవి. సో irreducible polynomial అంటే మనం partial fraction ax plus b, cx plus d, ex plus f ఈ మోడల్ రాయాలి. ఏం నాగరాజు అర్థమవుతుందా? నేను సెకండ్ మోడల్ ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ మోడల్ సెకండ్ మోడల్. సో రిపీటెడ్ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ మోడల్ చేస్తున్నాను సెకండ్ మోడల్. సో నేను ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వై. సో ఇదైతే కొంచెం ఈజీ అవుతుంది. లెట్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఓన్లీ రిపీటెడ్ ఇర్రెడ్యూసిబుల్ పాలినామియల్. So x square plus 1 is equal to y. Here x power 4, x square is equal to y minus 1. X power 4 is equal to x square whole square plus 24x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube. That is equal to x square is equal to y minus 1 whole square plus 24 into x square is equal to y minus 1 plus 28 by x square plus 1 is equal to y cube. So x square is equal to y minus 1. So y minus 1 whole square plus 24 into x square is equal to y minus 1 plus 28 by y cube. Y minus 1 whole square, y square plus 1 minus 2y plus 24y minus 24 plus 28 by y cube. Y square plus 24y minus 2y plus 22y 28 plus 1 29 minus 24 plus 5 by y cube. So y square by y cube plus 22y by y cube plus 5 by y cube. So y square get cancelled. 1 by y plus 22 by y square plus 5 by y cube plus 5 by y cube. 1 by y is equal x square plus 1, 1 by x square plus 1 plus 22 by y is equal x square plus 1 whole square plus 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. This is the final answer. So మనం సెకండ్ మెథడ్ చేసాను. మీరు లేదంటే ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus 1 whole square plus ex plus f by x square plus 1 whole cube అలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. So second, number of partial fractions is equal to 1, 2, 3. Number of partial fractions is equal to 3.